Yeah, they really tried to knock me down, but they didn't knock me down. I've been through some ups and downs, but I still keep my smile. I'ma make my mama proud. I'm a king, I'ma rock my crown. They really tried to knock me down, but they didn't.
Yeah, so we give thanks for those who have come before us and set the way, and for us, we see that Africa is the future, for African people, and ultimately, we have to be able to, find the solutions to our problems. We can't look for others to do it. So this is one contribution we have, this institute here, and we really see this as what we call a proof of concept. What that means is that we want to see others like y'all brothers come in, see this, be inspired, put your own tweaks to it, and build the next Kazi, build the next institute, build the next place where we can have for healing. So this is really just an extension of what our ancestors have been doing. We're honored to be here. This is a 20-year vision that has come to fruition. And we want to see more of our family from the West, from all over the world, to come to this space of learning, to this space of healing, because we know we have a lot of work to do. So we need everyone. We need all of us. So give thanks for Repair Nation and all of the family who've come to support, to learn, to build. We know this won't be your last time. Spread the word about Kazi. Spread the word that it's time for Africa and African people to rise. So we're here as testimony that it can be done. We brought our whole family. I left America. I brought my whole family here. And we say, yo, it's time to make a change, and so this is a part of that. So the fact that you all are here is testament that what we're doing is making an impact. And we know this won't be the last time that we see you brothers and we see our family who will be listening to this message. So again, come home. We look forward to seeing our family. Give thanks.
And there you have it, Peace TV, Verbal Apothecary. Real quick, I want to get my brother Jarabu on the camera so he could also talk about his experience at Kazi, because he's a return attendee. This brother's been here multiple times and has put in work here. So, brother, go ahead and let the people know your testimony about working with Kazi.
Word, 1,000%. So I first came to Kazi actually 2 years ago. So this is my third time here, and I saw it. It wasn't the very beginning, but it was at some of the beginning phases. So in the past couple of years, I've been able to come back and see how much development has happened in such a short period of time. And honestly, it's beautiful. I can only imagine in 5 years what this place is going to be like and the level that it's going to be operating on. But for me, when I came here for the first time, really this changed the way that I saw the future. Like, it changed the capacity of my imagination, the way that I saw myself wanting to live life. So it's something that's definitely inspired me. And Baba Kashan, I definitely want to give you my thanks, because a lot of times I feel like people don't get their thanks when they living. But this is legendary, and I think you're a living legend, because this is going to radiate through the African world. I'm 1,000% sure. And I can see how it's affected just the 40-something people that we were able to bring here this time. So I want to give you the utmost appreciation.
Thanks. I receive it.
And I want to give one more testimonial from our traveling medicine, Michael, part of Raw Soul Collective. What's been your experience here at the Kazi Institute, and what would you like the people to know about the Kazi Institute and what you experienced?
What I experienced here at the Institute was heaven on earth, which is straight, paradise, sustainability, medicine, family, community, health and wellness. We got welcomed by the local village. We got love from the people. We were able to come and exchange information, but we learned so much. And I'm very humbled by the experience. I know this is something that I strive to live like, so to see an example in front of me is very empowering to myself and the whole community that came with us. We give thanks to Repair Nations and Abibi Kwantu for holding it down to make us feel welcome. A lot of us coming from America. A lot of us is our first time coming out here, so for it to be the first time and not the last time, it's a blessing and an honor. So give thanks to you, Kashan, and you and the family and your wife for creating this space, for keeping that 20-year vision and showing us as young men how to do it. And we'll definitely be back to support. We want to build Africa up to the highest level that it should be, get our people back to living naturally, sustainably, and get our people back to healing each other. So give thanks. Yes,
Ashe. And I also wanted to tap in with our local brother Michael. This brother right here is a herbal medicine man as well. Very knowledgeable, has been steeped in his traditions, and also works at the Kazi Institute. So Michael, if you could let the people know, like, why do you work here at the Institute? You know, who you are, where you from, and what have you gotten from working with the family and the Kazi Institute?
Thank you very, very much. I work here as a tour guide, at the same time a herbalist. I know a lot of herbs, that what they do and what they does. So it's like you are always welcome home. Come and learn from us. We are ready to teach you more. Thank you very much.
There you go, a man of few words, but a lot of action. You know what I'm talking about? So that's what it is. And stay tuned. We're going to get some testimonials from my sisters as well. But as you can see, it was a lot of powerful brothers on this trip with a purpose and a mission that just got charged up from this institute, and this brother's family, Kashan and Siobhan, and seeing their kids run around got me feeling like, oh yeah, I found a place to build my legacy. So so I say to that, I say to the ancestors for aligning and playmaking up there. You know, they up there making plays for us and putting us in the right places that we need to be. So give thanks to y'all for listening, and there you have it, Verbal Apothecary, Peace TV. Let's get it.
One more thing. I want you to share your perspective of peace on Peace TV. I like to get everyone's perspective of peace, you know, as an advocate of peace. So what does peace look like to you, Kashan?
Peace to me looks like an unlimited vision, right? When we can see as far, not only with our eyes, but with our mind, and for us to be living in divine purpose, right? Each of us has our own peace that we can manifest. And when each of us manifests our own individual peace collectively, that peace becomes power. So peace grows into power. And in that, we do it with joy. As one of our elders, Baba Wakesa, said, we always want to be joyful, peaceful, and powerful. So it's all tied in together. Our peace is our power, and it's our joy. So continue on your vision, family. Don't let anyone stop you from seeing as far as you want to go. Don't let them limit you. And that really is where you find your inner peace, when you can go as far as you can. So we give thanks for Peace TV. We give thanks for the family for coming, showing love, building with us. And we want to continue to grow this movement, grow our own health and strength, and really grow our communities. One love.
We'll leave the social media connections in the caption for y'all to stay connect to the brothers. Peace and love.